The television major at SAIT teaches students to, well, do everything really. I mean, we cover everything from writing to directing to lights to camera to sound. Anything that needs to be done in a television production, you're taught everything, sort of from the ground up, to the point where in second year you're off on your own doing most of your own work by yourself, with some guidance by us.
I think what's great about our program is that we give you all those options. You know, you may hate doing television news, but you got a little taste of it before you launched into doing dramatic production.
Television isn't something that you take because, oh, you know, I don't know what else to do, so I guess I'll go take television. Not too many people's parents are encouraging them to go into television if they haven't got a television background themselves. So as a result of that, everyone that's in your program, pretty much all of your peers, will be equally passionate about the same things that you're passionate about. Which means to them, it's not just moving boxes, they're making your vision come true. And they see that too, and it's something quite beautiful to see, really.
Hands-on, for sure. It's all up in your face. It's like they tell you that from day one. It's going to be all up in your face. It's first semester and second semester, 90% in the classroom, 10% in the field. Third and fourth semester, it's 90% field, 10% theory. So you're not in a classroom sitting, staring at a wall, listening to your teacher drone on for hours at a time. You're out doing the things that you've been taught to do.
Training SAIT students was always easier than almost any other college because their technical skills were far and above some of the students from the other colleges. And I think that's because of the hands-on nature of our training here at SAIT. We do everything exactly as it's done in the industry so that when the students graduate and they move on, they're absolutely job ready and they're just ready to step in, and therefore they require less training. So it's a real treat to get a SAIT student.
To come into a program where I have to plan and make sure, I think 3 steps ahead of what I'm doing was a big change and very interesting for me to do and adjust to. And I think that's probably the biggest thing I've learned while being here.
If you're really passionate about telling stories and creating content, this is the place for you.
I really felt that after being here for just a couple months, I was well immersed into the community of SAIT, and I really felt comfortable calling it my home.